How to check if an iPhone is brand new. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. So, you can check the model number of your phone from here. The model number uses the first letter to indicate its status, M for new, F for refurbished, N for replacement, and P for personalized units. This code helps identify a device's origin, ensures compatibility with apps and accessories, aids in troubleshooting, and assists in checking warranty status, all of which are crucial when buying or selling a device. As you can see, the first letter of your model number is M, which means that your phone is brand new. Following these steps, you can easily check if an iPhone is brand new.